Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now, as you guys can tell by this title, which I know you guys already read, we are going to be doing a review. Now, the company Moitié Cosmetics, I'm not sure if I said the pronunciation right, but I'll have it on the screen so you guys can, you know, check them out. But Moitié Cosmetics, they reached out to me to do a review on some of their products, and when I tell you guys, I was mad hype because basically they invented a 5-minute eyelash extension which you can do at home, which I was geeked about because I know you guys been seeing lately, like in my videos, I've honestly just been, you know, I've been loving the clear skin with like lashes look lately. That's why I haven't been really doing my makeup. And when they reached out to me, I was mad geek because, as you guys can see, like we all know that after a certain time, like, you know, eyelash extensions, they, you know, start falling off and they start looking crazy after a few. And that's basically how mine are looking like right now. They're looking mad crazy. So this was the perfect time for me to actually try out their product. And all right, so basically this is how the box that they sent me looked like. When I tell you guys, when I got this, I was surprised because like it literally felt like I was getting a present. So this is how it looks like. Like, you guys, look at the details. Hold on. All right, do you guys see that detail? Like, it's literally like I'm getting a gift. But this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go throughout the products and just show you guys what they sent me. So this is the little like duster bag they have, and I'm guessing it has, let's see what it has. Oh shit, I'm here dropping stuff. All right, it has 2 different types of eyeliners. I'm gonna show you guys how the black one looks like. I'm gonna show you guys how the black one looks like, because you guys, like I said, I already opened this package before, so like I already seen like what's up. And when I tell you guys, I'm in love with this felt tip eyeliner. I'm gonna draw on it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. Yeah, when I tell you, this thing is so precise, it's literally so precise. This is waterproof. Literally, it's waterproof and smudge proof. And this is their 10-day lash glue that you would use for their eyelashes. And then lastly, what came in that bag was this tweezer. I've been meaning to get a tweezer like this because the one that I have is very like, just know this is the type of tweezers that I've been seeing a lot of people been using, and I've been meaning to get one of these. So I'm psyched that they actually included one of these in there, which I'm gonna get hella uses out of it. The next thing that comes in their box is 2 mirrors. They have 2 mirrors that comes inside the box. I'm gonna open one up for you guys so you guys can check it out. But this is how it comes in. One of them comes in pink, the other one comes in black. And you guys, I'm like hyped about these mirrors because I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, with my nails, everything is so much harder. But this is how their mirrors look like. I'm sorry for all the glare, but this is how the mirror looks like. But the cool thing about it is, what I'm so hyped about it is because it literally lights up. I wish that I can show you guys a little bit more clearer, but it literally lights up at the bottom. And what it says on the bottom, and it says 10-day lashes, which is pretty cute. The lashes, they literally sent me all their lashes, which is mad crazy. But they have 3 different kinds. So I'm gonna try it on myself that has eyelash extensions, and also I'm gonna do a second part where I'm gonna try it on my sister who doesn't have eyelash extensions, so you guys can see, you know, the dramatic change and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so we can test this out. All right, so I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer. Now the first thing that I am gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking their felt tip eyeliner and applying that first, so regularly, because I know when people do makeup, or even when I don't do makeup, sometimes I just want to add a little extra. So I'm gonna use their felt tip eyeliner and just do a small, I want like a small line, like nothing too serious. And I'm gonna be using the mirror that they have on their eyelash to see a little bit better. Alright, so I love the fact that you don't have to do too much with their eyeliner, because you know how some felt tip liners, they're really hard to, sometimes it don't be liquid enough, but this one had the perfect amount of liquid and it came out really easily, which I love. Now what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be taking their glue. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to take their glue and I'm going to apply it on the little parts where the lashes are supposed to be. So I'm going to put it on the top so it could be easier for me to dip the lashes in it while I apply it. And I'm gonna be using their handy dandy tweezers to apply these. Now what I'm really gonna be focusing on, since I already have like the eyelashes, but they're just basically almost like, you know, gone, I'm just gonna be filling in the sparse areas. I'm gonna fill in the sparse areas. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm literally gonna dip it in like this. I don't know what motion that is, but I'm literally gonna just dip it in. I'm gonna blow on it a little bit so it can get tacky. Actually, I'm gonna start off with this eye. And what I am gonna be doing is I'm putting it on top of my natural lashes, not on top of my skin, well, my eyelid. I'm gonna put it on top of my lashes. It is a little more trickier to do it with the tweezers. So I put it on top of my lash and I'm gonna give it a quick little second just to, you know, get together, and I'm gonna use the tweezers to basically mesh my real lashes, which is the eye extensions I already have, with their eyelash extensions so they could blend better. Yo, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can already see a difference in that little area that I put it in. Now I'm just gonna like quickly put it in all the sparse areas that I see that would need some, and I'll come back. All right, you guys, so I just finished. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference on the camera, but I am gonna take their tweezers and I am gonna blend all my real lashes with the extension so everything can, you know, be secured and blend well together. Let me use this hand. All right, but this is how it looks like, and this is just how it looks like with previously like two going on to 3 week old extensions. And like I said, I wanted to fill in my space, and this really did the trick. So what I am gonna be doing now is I'm gonna be doing the blow dryer test for you guys, just so we can see how secure this is. So let me get my blow dryer real quick. All right, y'all, so I got my handy dandy blow dryer, and honestly I'm scared to even put this on my face, but I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting. Actually no, actually let's see how it really can hold up. Let's go to the highest setting and let's just put it on cool, so it's not the heat blowing on our faces and stuff. So y'all, these things is secured, okay? Let me see. Literally, yeah, that junk is mad secure. Yeah, I felt like I was about to like freaking fly away, but as you guys can see, they're very secured right now. Like this glue is it honestly dries quicker than I thought it did. And if you are going to use the glue, I would suggest you the glue is a little bit more trickier than the regular than the other clear adhesive. So I would say it's gonna take a little bit getting used to when you are using the glue, but after you do figure it out, it's pretty self-explanatory. But I'm gonna do the second half is gonna be me just doing the rest on my sister because she doesn't have lashes, so I'm basically gonna be repeating the same steps on her. And when I tell you guys, this thing is kind of low-key the truth. Like, as you guys can see, my lashes are still like, they still look good. Now I'm not gonna lie that one or two of them did come off, but literally all I had to do was take the glue and just reapplied it, and it was good. It was good because clearly you guys got to keep in mind that yes, these are like, you know, eyelash extensions and they're supposed to last 10 days and stuff like that, but don't go ahead and do like crazy stuff with it and stuff. And when you are sleeping, you have to be a little like, you know, conscious. Just know you got to be a little careful when you go to sleep and not just, you know, be crazy when you're sleeping and stuff like that. And there wasn't lying about it being waterproof because I did wash my face. Clearly I had to wash my face throughout the days and stuff like that, and honestly they're still sticking on. I have nothing, my eyes didn't react to the glue or any type of way and stuff like that. But you guys, this is low-key gonna be like my go-to for when I do end up taking off my eyelash extensions, or when, like I said, when they do start thinning out, I can just literally just add some in there. And you guys, I haven't had a fill in 3 weeks, and me just adding those little lashes in between them, it made a huge difference. Like, you couldn't even tell, because you couldn't even tell if I didn't have my lashes done for like 3 weeks, because it looked like a brand new set. All of their information will be linked in the description bar down below, as well as the discount code. If I do get the discount code before I put in this video, I'm gonna put it on the screen as well as in the description bar down below as well, so you guys can get some money off your product and stuff like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.